This is the platform you can stake and start making a lot of money for yourself. This is Stake USDT to earn passive income, and they have fees percentage, liability guarantee, and you can start making daily profits in this platform. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is where I give free tips and updates on how you can earn through crypto and bag a lot of money for yourself. Firstly, you need to register on this platform. All you just have to do is input your email, your login password, your confirm password, security password, and confirm security password. Once you are done with that, you click on register. You are good to go. In this platform, you will start making a lot of money for yourself. So this is the interface of the platform. You can see I have 10 USDT and I have a brokerage wallet of 1.50 USDT. It's going to be a live withdrawal, so you will join me as I withdraw this money into my trust wallet for you to see that this platform is legit and real. So once you click on withdrawal, immediately withdrawal is where we'll be withdrawing. Remember, this is a live withdrawal, so join me to withdraw this money, my earnings from this platform into my trust wallet. So this is the interface. So I just have to quickly get my withdrawal address to be able to fill in the details and withdraw my USDT that I have made from this platform. So I've copied out my address and I'm back to the platform. So once I'm done, you click on confirm, you will see withdraw success. Within 2 minutes it will appear into your wallet. So this is my earnings, 1.5 USDT that I've made. So let me teach you on how you can earn in this platform quickly. So there is so many ways you can earn in this platform, but firstly, what you just have to do is, let me show you the reward center. The reward center is another place you can earn free USDT for yourself. So let me show you how you can earn free USDT. Once you click on reward center, it takes you to an interface. You can see you are earning 8.88 USDT once you invite 3 people in this platform, and you'll be earning 1.80 USDT in this platform once you invite 1 person every day, and the level 1 team will recharge users with a total of 50 USDT. So this platform is very good and legit. So another way is, once you click on recharge, you can recharge with any USDT of your choice. Once you recharge with any USDT of your choice, you can then start staking in this platform and start enjoying daily profits in this platform. So once you are there, let me show you on how you can start staking for you to start enjoying daily profit. So once this is, please enter the pledge amount, the amount of USDT. You can see my 10. I have 10 USDT and 95 days, and how many days you wish to enjoy this platform. Per day you'll be having 15.60%, 1.56 USDT, and in total of 95 days you'll be making a profit of 148.20 USDT. What you just have to do is click on staking. You have stake and you'll be receiving your daily earnings within 24 hours in this platform. This is very massive, so you just have to come in and start making money for yourself. So another way you can earn bigly in massive way in this platform is through referral program. Once you click on referral program, it takes you to this interface. You can see acquire your referral link, distribute the link wherever you choose, and reap the financial benefit. So all you just have to do is copy your referral link, make sure that your friends use your referral link and your referral code to register, and you start any commissions in this platform. You can see in level 1 you will have a recharge rebate of 13%, level 2 3%, and level 3 1%. So you have a lot of money to make for yourself. I hope you find this video very helpful, and I hope you start making money for yourself. Please subscribe to our channel so you'll be first to notify once we upload another good video. Bye.